Anacondas or water boas are a group of large boas of the genus Eunectes. They are a semi-aquatic group of snakes found in tropical South America. 3 to 5 extant and 1 extinct species are currently recognized, including one of the largest snakes in the world, E. murinus, the green anaconda. Although the name applies to a group of snakes, it is often used to refer only to one species, in particular, the common or green anaconda, Eunectes murinus. Citation needed, which is the largest snake in the world by weight, and the second longest after the reticulated python. The recent fossil record of Eunectes is relatively sparse compared to other vertebrates and other genera of snakes. The fossil record of this group is affected by an artifact called the pull of the recent fossils of recent ancestors are not known. So the living species pull the historical range of the genus to the present. The name Eunectes is derived from ancient Greek, Romanized, Eunectes, lit, good swimmer. The South American names Anaconda and Anaconda were suggested in an account by Peter Martyr d'Anghiera. The idea of a South American origin was questioned by Henry Walter Bates, who, in his travels in South America, failed to find any similar name in use. The word anaconda is derived from the name of a snake from Ceylon, Sri Lanka, that John Ray described in Latin in his synopsis. Methodica Animalium, 1693, as serpens indicus, bubalinus anacondae zelonibus, Ides bubalorum aliorum quejumentorum membra conterens. Ray used a catalog of snakes from the Leyden Museum supplied by Dr. Tancred Robinson. The description of its habit was based on Andreas Klyer, who in 1684 described a gigantic snake that crushed large animals by coiling around their bodies and crushing their bones. Henry Yule, in his 1886 work Hobson Jobson, notes that the word became more popular due to a piece of fiction published in 1768 in the Scots magazine by a certain R. Edwin. Edwin described a tiger being crushed to death by an anaconda when there were never any tigers in Sri Lanka. Yule and Frank Wall noted that the snake was a python and suggested a Tamil origin anaconda, meaning elephant killer, a signalese. Origin was also suggested by Donald Ferguson, who pointed out that the word henna henna lightning, large, and kanda stem trunk, was used in Sri Lanka for the small whip snake, a Hytula pulverulenta, and somehow got misapplied to the python before myths were created. The name commonly used for the anaconda in Brazil is sucuri, sucuriju or sucuriuba, found in tropical South America from Ecuador, Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela, south to Argentina. All 5 species are aquatic snakes that prey on other aquatic animals, including fish, riverfowl, and caiman. Videos exist of anacondas preying on domestic animals such as goats and sometimes even young jaguars that venture too close to the water. While encounters between people and anacondas may be dangerous, they do not regularly hunt humans.